Hi, welcome to MediatorPodcast.com, a podcast and video series about mediation, negotiation, and collaboration. My name is Melissa Gragg, and I'm a valuation expert and divorce financial mediator in St. Louis, Missouri. Today, we're speaking with Krista Shelton, a certified fraud examiner and former special agent for the IRS. She has her own firm, Focused Forensic Solutions, where she and her team aids clients in uncovering facts, decoding details, and finding resolution during challenging financial crime investigations. Welcome, Krista. How are you?
Thank you. I'm great. How are you?
In my mind, you're a resource for attorneys,
yes,
and the clients, really.
That's true. Yes. During that 14 years or 13 years at the IRS, I was inside and out of businesses and, interviewing them on their procedures. One of the things that I actually do, I don't know if most people probably know this, but when the IRS decides when they're going to audit a tax return, so every return that gets filed is given a score. It's called a diff score. And that score is based on the probability that something's not right. And that the analysis that's done, the computer analysis that's done is from years and years and years of IRS data, right? But those tax returns then go to an office in Cincinnati where revenue agents sit down, and they'll be like 10 at a time. And for 8 hours a day, they are going to look at all the returns that got pulled because of their score. And then they go through and they actually identify, oh, that looks weird. They should audit that. Oh, meals and entertainment looks really high for this type of business. We're going to audit that one. And then they get sent out to the field. And so again, knowing, having the ability to look at different industries, financial records, it doesn't matter if I'm looking at a restaurant or if I'm looking at a trucking company, the tax returns and the bank accounts are still going to give us that same kind of information, but having an idea of what is normal in an industry, having our experience of looking at every single type of business you can imagine and being able to identify what looks weird for, a specific kind of business. For instance, the trucking company that claims management fee income, that was something that stood out right away. But on top of that, my team has a combined 89 years of experience working financial investigations for the Internal Revenue Service. So we've got former revenue officers who were on the collection side. We've got multiple former special agents, that are retired that, have decided that they want to help people instead of, using the victim as the government. Mm-hmm. And so, again, and then Maggie is my new employee, and she's got 16 years in the banking industry. Mm-hmm. And so all of our experience is all in financial information and specifically related to small businesses. And so if something's going on, then we're trained to find that information.